Hello, 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 hello. Guess what day it is? Today is day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas KAL giveaway. So let's get started. Today's winner is number 32. I think her last name is Simons. So she knitted a face cloth, a messy bun hat like the one that I showed you guys in one of my last KALs, and also a hat. So congratulations. So let me tell you what you have won. You have won one skein of the Vitilana. Look at that. It is in the colorway Sizzling Sunset. 80% Peruvian Highland wool, 20% nylon. It's fingering weight and it's 400 yards. You will also receive a Vitilana, which is a light gray color. Hope it's coming through okay on the camera. And it is 100% Peruvian Highland wool in their colorway Fresco, and it is 100 yards. So you will be receiving both of these skeins. And then you will also be receiving a Happee Knits pin that you can use to put on whatever you like. Last is going to be what everybody has been winning, are these blank zipper bags that you can customize to what you want on it. So if you'll get in contact with me and let me know what you want on it, then we'll go ahead and get those prizes out to you by the end of the week. So congratulations again, and we will see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye-bye.